Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Shorthand Typing Academy. Today I am going to dictate a legal passage from the newspaper at the speed of 100 words per minute. So be ready for it. Start. Clarifying the legal position on quota, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has ruled that the nature and extent of reservation cannot be challenged on the grounds of discrimination with reference to other reserved categories. Stop. There could not be equality in the matters of reservation. Stop. Expressing anguish at the quality of pleadings in constitutional matters such as reservation, the bench of Justice Jaswant Singh and another justice added that writ petitions challenging the rules, instructions, or circulars issued by the state government providing reservation were being challenged on the grounds of violation of constitutional provisions in a very casual manner. Stop. The bench was hearing a petition by Balwan Singh and another general category ex-serviceman who had applied for the post of Civil Judge Junior Division in Haryana Civil Services Judicial Branch, advertised by the Haryana Public Service Commission wide advertisement dated January 13. Stop. Among other things, the bench was told that by converting 5% reservation for ex-servicemen in direct recruitment in Group A and B category from vertical to horizontal, the state government has wrongly granted the benefit of reservation within reservation or double benefit to the reserved category employees. Stop. Rejecting the argument, the bench asserted that it was not only contrary to the very nature and concept of horizontal reservation but was also inherently fallacious. Stop. The intent of reservation under the scheme of horizontal reservation is not to confine the served category candidates to their respective categories but to effectively implement the vertical and horizontal reservation within the confines of 50% cap of maximum reservation mandated by the Supreme Court in Indira case. Stop. Discussing the scheme of reservation envisaged in the Constitution and the relevant case laws, the bench in its 22-page judgment added that there was nothing arbitrary in the impugned instructions providing for subdivision of 5% reservation for ex-servicemen in Group A and B posts between the reserved categories. Stop. Dismissing the petition, the bench added that the state government was also well within its jurisdiction to fill the posts from amongst the eligible candidates belonging to open/SC/BC category in case suitable ESM category candidates were available. Stop. Para. Just over a month after Panchkula special judge held that the supply of documents not relied upon could not be demanded by the accused, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has stayed the framing of charge against Commander Relators Private Limited, Gurugram. Stop. The order will remain in force at least till October 6 when the case comes up for resumed hearing. Stop. The High Court has already put the Central Bureau of Investigation on notice. Stop. The bench was hearing a petition filed against the Premier Investigating Agency by Commander Relators Private Limited, Gurugram, through senior advocate with the another person. Stop. Haryana's former Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda is a co-accused in the matter. Stop. As the case came up for preliminary hearing, Mr. Rai submitted that separate investigation reports challans were being filed out of the same FIR. Stop. He added that two applications were filed by the petitioner accused in such circumstances for inspecting the records, which were documents seized by the Central Bureau of Investigation during the course of the investigation. Stop. Similarly, another application was filed for supplying documents in the form of statements put to prosecution witnesses and their response to the same. Stop. Mr. Rai submitted that Panchkula Special Judge White the impugned orders dated August 4 held that the supply of unrealized documents could not be demanded by the accused. Stop. Liberty was, however, given for supplying copy to the accused if the investigating agency filed supplementary challan. Stop. Mr. Rai submitted that the documents, statements and seized recorded would be necessary for addressing arguments when charge was to be framed. Stop.